Hello, this is Dr. Saute, Dean of Dean Chiropractic and Pain Relief. Today we're going to talk about neck pains and some of the causes and what you can do to relieve it. We're going to first talk about muscle spasms. Some of the causes of muscle spasms are long drives, extended use on the computer, looking down at your phone, your tablet, a poor night's sleep, and those are some of the causes of spasms and trigger points in your neck. Spasms and trigger points can lead to headaches, pain traveling into your shoulders, into your arms, and sometimes into your hand. In our office, what we do to treat them is a variety of myofascial release techniques such as active release, Graston, and other myofascial techniques along with cold laser. Next, we're going to talk about ligament injuries. Ligament injuries are due to trauma, car accidents, whiplash, falls, sports injuries. And it's important to get these injuries treated as soon as possible. When you damage the ligaments, that lead to excess movement in the joints of your spine, which can lead to early degeneration of the joints of your spine, which is osteoarthritis. And we treat these injuries by first getting the muscles to relax through the myofascial techniques and strengthening the small muscles that support the spine and the weak muscles and stretching the tight muscles. So we get those muscles and the posture back to where they're supposed to be. Next, we're going to talk about osteoarthritis and degeneration. A lot of our older patients come into the office with degenerations of the joints in the spine. And what causes it? If we all live long enough, we're all going to have a little wear and tear, which is going to lead to some degeneration and osteoarthritis. And we treat this by strengthening the weak muscles, stretching the tight muscles, and getting the posture back to as normal as possible. Because as we get older, muscles get weak and tight, which throws our posture off. So the better we get that posture back to normal, the less pressure on the joints. We also perform spinal decompression on patients that have spinal stenosis, which also can lead to arm pain and hand pain. So with spinal decompression, that opens up the joints, taking pressure off the joints and relieving some of the pain in the neck from the degeneration and stenosis. We also mobilize and manipulate restricted joints to get those joints moving a little better, and that also helps to relieve pain in the neck due to degeneration and osteoarthritis. Next, we're going to talk about is disc herniations and nerve compression. And disc herniations caused by trauma such as motor vehicle accident, whiplash, a fall, sports injuries. And if the herniation is large enough, that will put pressure on the nerve, leading to numbness and tingling and pain into the arms, into the hand, also sometimes causing weakness. We treat patients with herniated disc with spinal decompression. We get a lot of great results with spinal decompression and herniated disc. What that does is it reduces the herniation, taking pressure off the nerve, which leads to decreased pain into your arms and hands, and also decrease in the weakness in your hands. And then we transition into strengthening the weak muscles and stretching the tight muscles. So these are probably the most common neck pain injuries that we treat in our office very successfully. We get a lot of good results with neck pain and headaches. So if you would like to come and sit down with me personally, one-on-one, and ask me any questions you may have about your neck pain, about your headaches, or spinal decompression, you can come in our office for a one-on-one consultation. It's no hassle, no obligation. You just sit down with me, and I will answer any of your questions. You just give us a call for your free, no obligation consultation at 856-222-1322. Again, it's consultation. You'll sit down with me one-on-one. I will not pressure you to become a patient. I will not pressure you to get treated. I will just answer any questions you may have about your neck pain, your headaches, or if you have any more questions about spinal decompression, I will answer any further questions you may have about that. So just give us a call at 856-222-1322 for your free, no obligation consultation. I hope to speak with you soon and make it a great one.